Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, after modeling the staircase, what we will do is we'll insert a floor and then we'll model the floor opening. So, just to make sure that we have a stairs that are going from this first floor level to the second floor. And because our 2D CAD drawing is hidden, let's go ahead and unhide it. So we can see that. Let's go ahead and check our second floor because this is the first floor, but we have modeled that, and now we have to model the second floor. And as you can see here in second floor that we are climbing up using these stairs, coming up here, and then as you can see the floor starts from here, and this right here is a clear story. That means it's a double height over here. So that means there's a cut in the floor. So the way we want our floor to be is to create an opening in the floor to allow space for this flight of steps. Then the floor will turn like this, will go like this, will follow this line, and then will follow this curve and will continue. So that means this particular shape will be an opening in the floor. So in order to have this floor overlapped on this model, let's click on the CAD drawing and let's move it using this corner and bring it to this corner. Okay. When we do that, now we see that our second floor plan in CAD file is aligned with our model. So what we are doing is basically we are just changing the underlay. Initially we were looking at the first floor because we were modeling first floor, and now we have moved it to bring the second floor plan as an underlay so we can see the profile of the first floor slab. So let's go ahead and model the second floor, and let's go back to our second floor. Okay. In second floor we cannot see anything. Okay. If this happens, I want you to delete this particular view, go back to view tab, click on plan view, click on floor plan, and bring back the second floor plan. Alright, if you do not see anything here, what does this mean? That you had to go and change its properties. The view properties, so view is second floor, the properties, you have to go to underlay, and right now there's none selected. I want to click here, select this option and drop down menu and go to first floor plan. What you're saying is you want to use first floor as an underlay for this view because there's nothing on the second floor. So click apply, and now you can see that the first floor walls showing up here. Once you are done, you have changed this. I wanted to go and change this to wireframe so you can see the floor below. Now we have to change the visibility in graphics. There's a lot of confusion here, so let's go and change the visibility in graphics settings for this floor. Click on edit, go to imported category, expand it, and make sure we do not want to see few things. For instance, HVAC, electrical. We do not want to see for now any mechanical, plumbing. Click apply, click OK, so that we can see the profile of second floor slab. So now let's go and click on floor, select architectural floor. You can select any floor you want, but for now we'll just use 6-inch concrete with ceramic tile. Make sure the level is correct. You don't want to keep any offsets. Let's make it 0. Let's use pick line command, and let's go ahead and make the detail level to fine so that we can select the tile line, reference line. So let's select this line. Okay. We want that stud core to flush with our floor. So let's first create the outer profile. And if it does not select this line that you want to select, click on tab, and then it will show in 1 or 2 attempts. And let's first finish this exterior boundary so that we are sure about it. Now let's go ahead and pick line again. What we want is that we want the floor to follow this wall and then follow this line. So the floor will come inside, provide a cut, it will come out from here, and then we want to use this edge through which it will go this way and continue and join this curved wall. So let's take this curved profile also. Now let's extend to this corner, so our floor will come this way and then extend to this. So it will go this and turn from here, come this way, then I want it to join this way, this way, this way, and this way. So as you can see here, the floor will go inside like this in this profile and come out like this, so that this remains a cut in the floor, so that our staircase can go up and there is a double height or see-through or see below from the top. Once you're done, click OK, and it's going to ask you, would you like walls that go up to this floor level to attach to its bottom? You always say yes. What happens is, earlier when you had your walls, exterior and interior walls, connected to level 2 or second floor, it was going right to the second floor level. Now that we have a thickness of the floor, now those walls may not be going right up to the top of second floor slab. So they will go and join the bottom of second floor slab. So this is what the program is asking. So you always say yes. And once that is done, you can actually visualize it. Just orient around. And as you see here, there's an opening that has been created. And we will continue this railing over here. So let's go ahead on second floor. And let's click on this handrail. And let's say edit its path. So what you want this handrail to climb up on the stair and then join over here to the wall. So let's draw it from here and then from here to here. Okay, so what we want the railing, the handrail to come up with this staircase and then continue on the floor and join this curved wall. Click OK and go in 3D view, and as you can see that the railing, the handrail is climbing up and then is continuing on the floor slab and will join this curved wall once we model that wall on the second floor. So you can actually modify these railings. You can go back to second floor and we can actually modify this other railing, handrail. So click on this, edit its path. So right now it's climbing up like this. What you want is to turn it over here on the second floor and then continue to this wall from here to here. So what you want the railing to climb up, turn on the floor, on the second floor, and join this wall that we'll be modeling later on. Click OK. And in 3D, as you can see that railing has been modified. So it's climbing up and it's going back and will join that wall once you model it. So this is how you will actually model the next floor and create an opening and adjust handrails if needed. Thanks for watching.